Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you, just I'm saying, I'm posting a daily video every day about, Minecraft, CSS, I don't know, different stuff. Mostly Minecraft and CSS. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to install Yuckbox. That's a mod for Minecraft. You have to go to Google and Google Yuckbox. And then you just click the first link and you'll go down to scroll down and you'll take the newest version. And that's, I normally use Mediafire, that's best I think, but you can use all of the, stuff. Then you take Mediafire, you'll just double click it and press download. You'll say save and it's saving, Now you just have to wait. It depends on how long time it takes for your computer to download it, but it's normally not that. I don't know. It takes some time. So meanwhile, I might clip it out. Yeah, what to do? Woo, we could. I can, last time I posted a video of console hacks, some of the things you might couldn't hear, then just leave a comment and I'll write it to you. And if you want me to do any tutorials, any more Minecraft showing stuff or CSS, then tell me and I'll do it, And if there's any mods you want me to test, I can test them and see if I like them or not, or, Or I can show you how to install them, And yeah, I just want to tell you about a game I just heard of. It's called Dungeon Defenders. I've heard it's very good, but I haven't tried it yet, so I might also post me playing some Dungeon Defenders. I've heard it's like something where you have to defend a castle. I don't know. Weird game, but it sounds funny, so I'll try that sometime. We are at what, 23%? Not so fast, but yeah. What shall we do meanwhile? Tell me, what shall we do? I like playing. Yeah, you can see my computer here in the background actually. I have a Asus G74. Yeah, it's a very good computer actually. I would rate it for you, or yeah, maybe buy it if you don't know what computer you need and you need a laptop, very good laptop, but of course, yeah. Why is it going so slow? Tell me, why is it going so slow? No, no, no. Then we can go Photoscape. This is a new computer, so I've just downloaded, so I don't have any pictures on it that I can change, but you can change the most of things, this is just some random things I made from one of my friends who wanted me to make a, I don't know, that's, I can also post some tutorials for Photoscape where you can type in, if you want to write I'm awesome or something like that. I'm awesome. Then you have to write I'm more fun, wait, would like that, and then you go okay, and then you can make it bigger, and you can go in here and you can change the writing and whatever. Yeah, and you can go in and put symbols, and there's every kind of symbols, weddings, mullet, spiders, whatever you want to do. 56, very slow download, I know. Well, but meanwhile I can tell you, you can type app, to download this mod you have to go, type in %app data %, and then enter. Then comes up a file map that's called roaming, enter that. Then go into Minecraft, and you have to install Minecraft on a fresh folder. So you have to destroy or delete bin and resources, and probably also save, I think. No, you have to destroy bin, resources, texture packs, I'll just yeah, you have to destroy all these 4 here. And when you've done that, you can just exit that, and then you'll go play Minecraft, and it's log in, and then it downloads Minecraft again, and then you have no texture pack or mods installed. But I like my texture pack, and it doesn't want to install it again. It's a waste of time, you know. And when you press play Minecraft and go and then log in, then it just downloads Minecraft again. Nothing really happens. And if you want to, like, you know, save one of your worlds, if you have a world that you love or whatever, oh wait, then you'll type in app data again with, remember, percent app data percent. Oh fuck, now I fuck it up. App oh wait, data. I forgot app. Oh my fucking god, I can't believe this. Percent, and then no fucking way. You type in percent app data percent, and there it is. And then you double click Minecraft, and if you want to save your map before you destroy all these 4 maps, you can go into saves and you can take it out, and then you just go back and destroy them. And then when you have downloaded Minecraft again, you go into roaming again, and then then it has downloaded saves again, and you can put Sticky Try or Shapesy or whatever you want in again. And then when you start Minecraft, you have the maps again. And I think it's about to be done in here. Yeah, it's done. And then you'll press open, and you know, I'll normally just put it down on my desktop, and then I'll extract. I think it's in extract files, and you'll press OK. And it's just extracting. You have to use WinRAR or 7-zip. I don't know what you like to use, but one of those two. And then you'll double click. You'll go to Yogbox installer. You'll set target Minecraft folder. Go next. And now, because I haven't destroyed it, it doesn't work. But it works if you have deleted all them and downloaded them again. You'll press yes. Then you can, all the stuff you want, you know, all the mods normally just take full install, but after the new update, you know, they have included Mo creatures in it. That's very nice, but you have to take more health out because it's annoying. You know, there's a bug with it, so some people, when they start Minecraft, the screen gets black and they can't get in. And you know, if you doesn't want these, then you should take these 4 out. That's like if you want to start in a castle or something like that. So take all this environment out, but the rest just leave them on, and you know, you can take lots of stuff out. And then you'll press next, and then it's unpacking and installing and repacking, and yeah, then you'll press done, and now you should have it in Minecraft. You'll double click Minecraft, go log in. And my screen will probably not download, but that's because I didn't destroy the files before. So, but if you have like deleted all the files in app data, then this should work. So yeah, that's it. Just remember to delete these and it works. So that's it for now. Please subscribe. I know this was a long video because of the download, but you might just survive it. Bye.